Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of What I Eat in a Day vegan edition. I hope you enjoy this video. If there's anything that I'm making or that my husband makes that you want a recipe for, like an actual video, let me know, and I will make a separate video for that. Hope you enjoy. So some toast with some vegan margarine, hash browns, 2 different varieties, a little Italian vegan sausage, and then we're making my coffee. So this is actually some coffee that I grabbed when I was in Cuba. So we're just doing that. And then I frothed up some soy milk. So it's a little froth, not very frothy, but tiny bit. And then just gonna add it in here. And voila! Breakfast is served. See you for lunch. Here's today's lunch. We've got a frozen pizza. So this is from Dea here. We are having the supreme one. And yes, for anyone noticing, this is day 2 of pizza. But I don't care because this is delicious. We're going to be making dinner tonight. So I'm just doing spaghetti with some mushrooms, onion, and garlic, and then I'm using these Gardein meatballs. These are so delicious. I happen to really like these. So I've got the water boiling, so let's prepare these. All right, pasta is cooked, meatballs are cooked, so we're going to plate everything now. So I didn't want to record the entire cooking process. I just recorded a little bit of it so you guys could see it. If you want, this is such an easy recipe, like such an easy dinner. If you do want a recipe though, just let me know in the comments and I can make a separate video just showing how I cooked this. And then I'm going to top it with a little bit of shredded mozzarella styled cheese because it's obviously vegan. And that is that. Dinner is served. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.